Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own #1 BLT from Jersey Mike. Alright, so this is what we got. We got some shredded up lettuce right here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take that out of the container. And that's how that looks up close. Alright. We got some smoked applewood bacon. And all I did with this was I put black pepper on mine. It just gives it a nice little spicy taste to it. That's all it does. So that's that. I have some tomatoes right here. See if I can show you that up close. With some onions right there. Now it don't come with the onions. I'm gonna put onions on mine, okay? Now I have some Duke mayonnaise right here, guys. I have some pink sea salt. I'm running out of this. I got some red wine vinegar right there. If I can get this thing to focus, man, this thing, I got to probably take it to a camera shop or something to get it focused, because I don't know what I'm doing. And I have some oregano, okay? And I got some bread right here. Now, I try to get slick and go to Jersey Mike and buy their bread. They say that they're not selling it anymore. So what you can do is you can go to Jimmy John's. They sell the same similar type of bread. So what I did, I bought a day-old bread. And like I said, the day-old bread only costs 50 cents. All right, and they ain't that stale at all. Okay. All right. So that you know. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just going to flip this over and move this to the side. We're going to get our mail. Put that on there. I want to be able to taste mine, so I put a little extra on mine. Now, like I said, you don't have to put the onions on there because it don't come with onions unless you ask for it. And it's going to be the Mike's way. Alright, I think that's about it. That. I'm just showing you guys how you can save you some money. Alright, and you can feed a lot of people for the little price. Alright, so we're going to come with our bacon, as much as you want on yours.
I gotta go actually.
Oh, you gotta go?
Yeah, I gotta go.
Alright. See you later. Have a good day. You well know Lavelle like a lot of meat on his. So let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This should do it for me right there. I'm gonna break this one in half and put this one at the bottom. Okay. So now we're gonna come with our lettuce. Take some lettuce. I think I'm doing that wrong already. You need a couple of these tomatoes first. Move this to the side so you guys can see. right here. Now this, like I said, it don't come with onions, so I'm just gonna put a few on mine, okay? So you can put as much as you want on yours. All right. And I'm gonna come with this lettuce. I don't know why we trying to make things harder than what it needs to be. Okay. I should have put all that on here first, but I didn't. But it's still the same thing, guys. All right, I'm gonna come in here with some of this. Oh, I need oil. Oh my goodness, I forgot the oil. So here's my oil, my olive oil. Got to bring that on there. Can't be the Mike's way without that. Some of my red wine vinegar. Just like that. A little salt. Sprinkle a little bit on that on there. Not too much because the bacon got enough salt. Come with this oregano. Side up. We'll be all day trying to shake that. So we do kind of like this. Oh yeah. Alright, now this is the trick. You can do it either this way and roll it on this way, or you can come this way with it. That's why I should pound it on the bacon first. Just like so, guys. Give it a good smash. Flip it over. That's it. Ooh, that must look good too. I'm going to be going down tonight. My daughter, she's going to work, so it's all good. But yep, that's how you make the #1 BLT Jersey Mike sub. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dress this up, make it look decent for my thumbnail, and I'll be back. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, there you have it. The #1 BLT from Jersey Mike's. Right here. Alright, let me show you that one up close. See if it won't focus for us. So notice it's a lot of bacon. If you watch this video, you know it's a lot of bacon up under there. Alright? But that's how that looks. Alright guys. So if you want to make this, all you have to do is go get you a day old bread, or you can buy the fresh bread. It really doesn't matter to me. So not saying that. I'm just saying you can buy it. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and try it. You know? So anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up because I got hungry. When I get hungry, I get to stuttering and all that good stuff. So anyway, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And that's right. Please don't forget to hit that bell. Please hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'll see you guys next time. And I'm out.